WH question words. The WH question words are mainly used to ask questions. Among them, we have what, when, why, where, who, and how. We use the WH question word what to ask about specific information, topics, or events. We also use where to ask about places, and when to ask about particular moments. Similarly, we have the question words who, why, and how. The WH question word who is used to ask about particular people or characters. The question word why serves to ask about the causes of an event, and we use the word how to ask about particular processes. Thank you very much and see you next time!